The time has come for this cookie. Nom 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 nom. Oh, nom 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 nom. Ah, bye bye.
Wait, if you're having a sugar craving or you're looking for cookie recipe videos, sorry for the confusion. We're talking about internet cookies. And aren't you tired of those annoying cookie consent pop-ups every time you visit a website? I mean, they not only make you lose focus, but they may even deter you from visiting that site in the future. So, in this video, I'm going to show you how to block or disable those annoying cookie consent pop-ups from Google Chrome. Let's get into it. So, according to our friends over at techboomers.com, in computer terms, a cookie is a small file that a website sends through your web browser on your computer, smartphone, or tablet, which serves as a sort of reminder of what you've done on that website. So next time you visit the website, the business who owns the site can cater the content to your needs. So for a better visual, I just want to be absolutely sure that we're talking about the same pop-ups, because I know when you visit websites or social media networks, there are a lot of things that pop up, and today we're talking about the cookie consent pop-ups that typically come from the bottom of the website, and they're asking for your consent to monitor your activity on the site, as we talked about already. And these usually have about 2 or 3 options on them. They'll either say accept or deny, or they'll say manage cookies, manage my preferences, allow cookies, or accept all. So you do have the option of clicking on these. Hopefully you're not just going through, I know things get busy and you just want to accept. You may not want to do that. So now, after watching this video, you'll have a better understanding of basically your rights to your to your privacy. So if you click manage, typically opens up another page where it'll give you more detail about what the website owner is collecting with that. And so you'll be able to select your preferences, or you may want to deny it altogether. Sometimes when you do that, things won't show up like they're supposed to, but majority of the time it'll be fine. There are required cookies, and believe it or not, in some countries they do require the websites to get consent from their visitors before using internet cookies, and that's why it's more common these days to actually see the cookie consent pop-ups in your browser. So just keep that in mind, that it's not always the website owner's decision, but it's rather them just following the law, right? All right, next we'll go into how to disable these pop-ups. Next, you're going to visit google.com, and depending on I'm on a computer, but if you're on a mobile device like your tablet or your smartphone, obviously it's going to look a little different. So you would need to open Chrome browser, and then what you would do, you would navigate over to, you should see 3 dots by your profile image up in the top right hand corner if you're on a computer, and you want to click that, and you want to scroll down to settings, and once you do that, it'll take you to the settings page. And from there, you're looking at the options on the left hand panel. Like I said, I'm on a computer, so it's going to show this completely. and you're looking for the privacy and security tab from the list. You want to click on that. And if you want to know more about what Google, how they're using your information, they do have a free privacy guide that you can click on, and it'll tell you in detail more about what type of information that they use and how you use the information. And let me know in the comments if you want me to go, make a video specifically about Google Privacy Guide and go over that in more detail. So today we're just going to stay focused on the mission to block the cookies. So if you look on the screen under the privacy and security section, they do have plenty of options for you. I would suggest you click on just the cookies and other data tab. So right now I have only third-party cookies block, and it states that the sites can use my cookies to improve browsing experience. For example, to keep me signed in, or remember items that I've put in my shopping cart if I'm doing online shopping. With the circle with the line through it, it means sites cannot use cookies to see browsing activity across different sites. For example, to personalize ads, advertisements, or features on some sites may not work. For this video, we're going to block all cookies, which it says that it's not recommended, and here's the reason why. We went over the first two. The last reason would be that features on many sites may not work. For you guys, I'm pretty sure you're using it for using Google Chrome for general uses, so you blocking all cookies would not affect your internet experience. Whereas advanced users like myself, I do use a lot of different business tools online that it could interfere with. So definitely, if you want to avoid those cookies popping up, if they are doing it pretty often on your device, you want to block all cookies. If you're not sure, just block third-party cookies. That may help. It could sign you out of different sites, so just keep that in mind. But like I said, for you guys who are just general users, you want to click on this. You want to select this box that says block all cookies. All right, so that pretty much wraps up what we're going to do today. After you've clicked that, you can just scroll up, go to the back button. You can review this free Google Privacy Guide, or you can just go and X out of the tab here, and it'll be gone. Okay. All right, so let me know in the comments if this has helped you. If you have any questions or concern, I appreciate you viewing. Thanks for watching.